I've just found something incredible and amazing that will change the way you create art forever. It's an AI art generator called Leonardo AI. It's unlike anything I've ever seen before, with the power to transform anything and a simple text into a stunning work of art. Leonardo AI is an absolutely game changer for artists, designer, creative, anyone. You can bring any ideas to life with the use of text to prompt or use an image to bring another ideas to life. And you know the best part? It's completely free. You say goodbyes to frustration of Midjourney. Midjourney become completely premium some weeks ago, but this is absolutely completely free. And also it has a very cool user interface and it's being run on the web browser. It's a web app. It has community. You can see your generation history on your own particular timeline. You can download. It has an amazing AI. So I'm going to show you the stunning images I've generated from this particular AI art generator. So let's dive into it. And before we get started into today's video, please subscribe and like this video to help the channel out. So let's get started. These are the beautiful, amazing art I've generated so far with Leonardo AI. So let's look into them. So this is the first one I generated. Is a beautiful owl with crown on it. Look at how beautiful and stunning this is. Imagine you printing this one and put it in a frame in your apartment. It's dope. So let's move forward. This is an anime lady. Imagine you can use this as a wallpaper or something else, or you can use this as an avatar. So these are a text to prompt of a villain in a movie with amazing body physique, just a text to prompt something. And these a prompt I actually come up from my brain. A river with aurora in the sky, it generated something dope like this. So this is a superhero, a black superhero. There's no much black superhero, so I typed it that okay, Caribbean black superhero, then generated something like this. So let's move forward. This is quite, I remixed this particular one. One thing with Leonardo AI is that you can remix an image, so we'll dive into that. I'm just showing you what this app has done so far before we dive into it. So this is Tom Cruise in a futuristic movie. This image does not exist. This Leonardo AI generated something like this. This is too dope, man. So this is another generation type for the aurora in the river, so over the river. So this Leonardo AI have different type of style in generating art, so I'll show you when we get started on that. So this is a Spartak warrior with amazing sword, shield, and everything. So dope. So this is another one I generated from the previous image I showed just now. This is the one is on us and is going into the battlefield, and it's just a text to image. This is not real, and but this is dope, bro. So this is an AI generation of a robot with wire all over the body. Like, this is so dope. Like, this is crazy. So let's move forward. So I was thinking of something crazy, so I come up with something like, okay, show me a image of Kingdom of God with the throne on it, and it came up with this crazy shit. God forgive me, bro. So let's move forward. And the last one I think I did was show me the last image from the end of the world. So it shows that other planets are trying to eat Earth, and this is just what it came up with, and this is so dope, bro. I asked another one of image in the year 2100, most especially Dubai, what it would look like, and it generated something like this one, which means we'll have flying car, top buildings, high techs, so many things like that. So these are all the things I've generated so far. I've just found this AI just today, so let's dive into it. So in order for you to get started, you just have to head over to your browser and type leonardo.ai. So one thing with it is very, very simple. All you just have to do is type in your email. You can just type in your email address, Then you click on count me in. When you click on count me in, it's going to send you the confirmation email. It's just something very simple. So this is not a real email like that. So it's not something easy. So you can also click on get early access. So you can type in your email and you see on count me in. You receive an image and you follow the instruction. So after that, you'll be asked to join the Discord server. It's not even compulsory to join this Discord server, but it's cool for you to join to get the latest update. It's a very simple thing and you can get into that. So the main app is being run on the web browser, unlike Midjourney that all the art generation is being generated inside Discord. So this particular one, you have to generate it on the web app. So I'm going to log into mine. So I'm logging over here. So I will just click on launch app over here. Once you are logged in, you can click on launch app. You're going to see something like this. Yes, I'm waitlisted. So it's going to check if you are last logging. Then if you are really logging on this particular browser, so it's going to give you access to the dashboard. So this is the beautiful dashboard of this particular AI generation. As you can see, this is very, very organized, unlike Midjourney and other arts that you can't really see what you have generated in the past. Like it doesn't have generation history. But look at this one. You can look at community field. There's a community field for you to see what other people have generated. It's so amazing, and you can even copy the prompt. So let's say I open this particular image. You can see the prompt the person used, and you can copy it and edit it and do something else. Amazing thing is that you can even remix images. So let's move forward. So in order for you to start generating your own AI, all you just have to do is go to the left hand side and click on AI image generation. So there are two ways you can generate AI. It's either text to prompt, like you like the one I'm using now, image prompt, or image to image. So you can upload an image. If I click it to image, I can upload an image, then it will redefine the image and give me something else. But if it's image prompts, like what most people use, all you have to do is type in your prompt of whatever you're thinking. So these are some crazy things I've worked around with. I'm just coming up with some crazy things in my mind, and it has so many versions that it's going to generate, and all these are so dope. So let me scroll down. This is a crazy setup of 1990, and these are some of the Spartan warriors I generated not so long. You see, you can see your previous generation history. It's going to load it for you. So, and everything is very organized. You see, these are amazing tech. Oh my god, this is so dope. This is so dope. You can see this. You can see this an amazing art. One thing is that you can actually download this particular image. So if I click on download right now, you're going to see it very clearly, and it's very straightforward. So it's going to open a new tab for you, and you can just drag and drop. You see, this image is very high quality. You can just drag and drop and put it on your laptop. So if I open this now, you see it's very, 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 very dope. So this is something that you can actually print and use. So that's why I love this app so much. So let's try something out and generate something. So let me say I'll go back to AI image generation. So I'll type in the prompt. So one thing with it is that you can select the type of model you want to use. So by default is Leonardo diffusion, which is what I actually like. And there's different type of style, either Leonardo style or none. And there are some that if you are trying to generate for cartoon character, you can use Leonardo creative or stable diffusion, like something like this. This is not looking like a human being. So the kind of one I use is Leonardo creative. You can see it's even show me here Leonardo creative and Leonardo style. So let's say I want to generate an amazing AI of Spider-Man. So Spider-Man on top of Burj Khalifa in year 2050. So let me click on generate. So one thing is that you can actually generate up to 50 amazing image with Leonardo AI. So that is enough for you to generate in a particular day. So in the next day you'll be able to generate 50 images also, because this is actually free. But there is an option for you to upgrade if you want to generate more every single day. Wow, this is what it generates for me. This is crazy. Okay, I only type spider on top of Burj Khalifa. See how crazy this shit is. So let me change it to Spider-Man on top of Burj Khalifa in the year 2050. So I'll click on generate and see, let's see what you have, and you can select the number of images going to be generating for you. So the higher the number of images, the higher the points you are going to be using. So I have 50 points left for today. So let's see what it's going to give us. Wow, this is dope, but I don't really like this. Spider-Man on top of Burj Khalifa. This is crazy. So let's change the model type to see what we can get. Let me change it to stable diffusion 2.0 and make it Leonardo style. Then we generate to see what, maybe we can get something more dope. That's what the advantage of Leonardo AI. You can select the kind of dimension and anything you want to use. So let's check it out. So it's loading. Like I said, this is a bit dope, but it's still getting better. This is just the version 1 of this particular app. So let's try another version. So let's try something like Leonardo signature to see what we can get. So let me click on generate. So this is actually dope. So let's wait for the results to see what we get. Oh my god, this is not good. So let me go back to Leonardo diffusion and change it to okay. A old woman operating a MacBook to see what we can get. This should come so nice because it's quite a very easy prompt. So let's see the results. A old woman operating a MacBook. It shouldn't be too hard. This is so dope, bro. This is so dope. The funniest thing is that this woman is not real. So let me generate something crazy. Queen Elizabeth of England in the year 1980. So let's see what we have. I don't know if Elizabeth here is correct. So England, okay, in the year 1980. So I want to see how it looks like if this particular AI generation is so smart. So let's see what we can get. The better your prompt, the better. Oh my goodness, this is dope. I'm so fucking loving this. So let's click on this. This is so relatable. Like 1980. That is like 40 something years ago, maybe 44 years ago. So I can actually download this particular image right now and use it. This is so dope. I love the second one. Let me save this. I love the second one more because of the wanks. Yeah, you see how dope this is. She's looking so lovely. Wow. Let me download this also. Now this is so dope. This is so dope. So we're going to try something amazing also to see how good this is. So let me type show me a bank vault filled with dollars. Let's see what we can get. Let's see what we can get from this. You can actually generate anything, any simple thing you can think of. The better your prompt, the better the results. So this is just an example. Oh my goodness, this is so crazy. What kind of imagination is this? My goodness, this is not that good, but it's manageable. So let's try for humans. Okay, a beautiful Irish lady on the runway, right? That's what they call it, runway fashion show. Okay, let me see what we can get. A beautiful Irish lady on. People from Ireland are so beautiful, so let's see what we can get from this. This AI, I just like the Utah interface, the color scheme and everything of this. Oh my god, what is this? This is not beautiful, but it's actually giving us what we actually wanted. Let me remove the Irish lady. Let me make it Turkey. It's giving us another different vibe of Irish. Ireland people are so beautiful. So let's wait for it to see what we can get from this generation. Oh god, this isn't bad. Let me click on this. This is beautiful. This is so beautiful. Oops. I like the image. I like the costume and every other thing. This is just so dope. Okay, let me keep it simple now. A beautiful lady on one way. That's all. Let's see what it's gonna give us. I don't want to specify nationality. I'm so loving this AI generation right now. This is just an experiment on this AI because I just found it not so long. Wow. I think in the fashion they really consider people that are skinny more. So let me change the kind of version we want to use. So let me use something different. Let me use stable diffusion 2.0. Let me see what we can get. And one thing is that you can also add negative prompts. So if that particular image are generated, so now we are talking. Stable diffusion is so dope. Like this version, stable diffusion 2.0 is so dope. So let me click on this. This woman is so lovely. Like this is beautiful. Let me download this image, and this person is not aware right now. It doesn't exist in this world, and this is just so dope right now. Like God, I so much love this. Okay, now let me go back and change it to beautiful Arab lady. Now if I put Arab, it's going to cover the whole body. A beautiful African lady on the one fashion show. Oh my god. Okay, let's see what we have. Let's see. I'm actually using stable diffusion 2.0 now. This is so dope right now. This is so dope. I can't wait for this. Sure. She's beautiful, but not to my expectation. But let me change it back to Leonardo diffusion and see what I can get. African lady are beautiful, so they shouldn't generate something stupid for us. Let's see. Okay, it's loading, and the result is here. Well, she isn't looking bad. This is a pure African queen. This is so dope. Like this is a high-tech system. I give kudos to the group that made Leonardo AI. They did an amazing job, and the fact that this is an version 1 of their app and they are still building on it. Come on, they have tried. And the fact that it has a web application of its own instead of what is it called, Discord. So this is so beautiful. I didn't get to look at this very well. Wow, this is so beautiful. This is another African woman. Wow, this is so dope. This is so dope. This is so dope. This is Ankara in Africa. So this is beautiful. So that is it for today's video on Leonardo AI. I just feel like sharing to you guys to see that there's an alternative to MidJorney. So just check it out. It's called Leonardo AI. So subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell. I'll be dropping video once in a while, and you're gonna love them, trust me. So one love.